So the last time, guys, I gave you guys the view of Okpoko and the current situation of the completed road within the Okpoko axis. Okpoko is in Obosi in Anambra state. So today, guys, I'm going to be taking you on another tour. This time around, let me show you guys the ongoing construction still happening within Okpoko. A lot of road has been completed in Okpoko environment, while a lot are still under construction. And mainly looking at Okpoko need serious help. Okpoko need serious help. They need serious help. You can see the amount of refuse dump that is in Okpoko. Like Okpoko is kind of not just one P area, but a refuse site, if I may say. Sorry, it's not an insult, it's just an eyewitness from what I saw. That is what I'm giving out. So this particular road is it has a direct link to that Oboduku road. Almost all the completed road right now has a link to this Oboduku road, and as well has a direct link to the Owerri road. So this particular road has a direct link to that Oboduku road, very close to Oboduku road by Atani. So right now I'm gonna be giving you a full tour of the construction going on here. So from this angle, you can notice that land clearing, like clearing of dredging of the land, the land surface is ongoing, almost completed. It's just that there are some few places that they just left like that because some obstructions are there. Some spoiled vehicle are along that road, so they just leave it that way for now until the vehicle is moved out. So guys, we'll be seeing a lot of things in this video, you understand. So one thing I notice when touring all these things is that I witness a lot of dirty drainage system, very dirty. Some places the drainage system are still okay, but very dirty. Some don't have drainage system at all. Like over here, you can see that a lot of dirty waters are along, on the express already, and it's very smelling, like it's smelling very bad odor. Like I'm doing this video, I don't even want to cover my nose because there's nothing to cover. I just do my video and leave the area. Like this place is a very slumped area. So this is that part of Okpoko that people don't want to visit. So this particular road that is under construction now will take you down to Owerri road, then take you down back to this Oboduku road. So it has a link to down to Owerri road, and also a link to this Oboduku road. So you can be watching everything for yourself. I don't have much to say about the video. The video has already explained itself. You can see how dirty everywhere is. So Okpoko need serious help. They need serious and urgent help, honestly. Merely looking at it, in short, if I'm to say Okpoko need restarting, like a lot of things need to be done in Okpoko. They need serious restarting. Even on the day I was filming this video, I'll be honest with you, I will say this then before I will make my comment. So the day I was filming this video, a woman walked up to me and said, "Nna, Okwaya is Bogota." It means, please, my son, I hope they will build good drainage system for us. So and I was like, I'm not the contractor, but as God may have it, they will. And the woman was actually not wrong, because I've witnessed quite a number of places where I was hoping that that place should have gotten a very wider drainage system instead of what it has, but they did not do it. They just leave the drainage system that way. The old drainage system, very tiny old drainage system that was there, they left like that, and construct the road. If you watch my previous video I make, you will see them. There's a lot of tiny gutters that I saw, which I don't think is supposed. That place need to be, need a kind of new wide drainage system. So I do not totally blame the woman. It's just talking based on what she has witnessed. So if you watch this side, it has gutter. but with dirty waters inside of them and very old gutters. So I'm not sure if they will construct new gutters over here or they will leave the old one. So if you leave all this place heading towards the back, a lot of construction are still going on there. In short, I tore this road down to where it has connection with the Owerri road. So, and I noticed that the land scraping or land clearing is done already. They are just constructing gutters from that the one that has direct join with that of Owerri road down to this particular area. So that is what I witnessed when I was touring this road. So you can continue watching the video to see everything for yourself, and I will keep updating you guys, because honestly the video is making me speechless already. Even when I was filming it, I have a lot to say and I was speechless. That's just it. So I will come back for another update. Another thing is that I don't know if any demolition will occur here, maybe to pave way for the for the road and for the drainage system, for a very neat job and for a very wide drainage system. Some people who might have known Okpoko before now, or who might have visited Okpoko, we actually know how Okpoko is. And I can be honest with you, Okpoko need a very bigger and wider drainage systems. They don't need a tiny drainage system. Where we are heading right now, at that back, we notice you will see, not notice, you will see a very big canal that are not recently constructed though, that are there. Very big canal. I don't know where that particular canal leads to. I don't know where it leads to, but a lot of debris is inside that canal. Very, very dirty and very, very smelling. It's smelling and it's very dirty. but it's a very big canal. I don't know, maybe some of these things, some of these drainage system will be channeled there. So I think I'm currently on top of that canal. Yeah, this is the canal over here, this is the canal here, and this is the little drainage system that has direct link to it. So maybe this one will be left this way, maybe they will not construct a new one. This is the canal, this is what is inside the canal. Very dirty, everywhere is littered, very dirty. So from this angle, once I make a U-turn, I'll be heading or turn to my left. I think I'll be heading towards the Owerri road, where the newly constructing road is heading to. I don't think anything will be done here. So from this angle, you're gonna be heading to Owerri road. So all this place you are seeing now has been cleared. The road has been cleared, waiting for other things to comment, and it also has the old gutter there. From this angle, the gutter is quite okay. The gutter is quite okay. Then on the other side, it also has another gutter, but one headed down, while this particular one that you are watching stopped somewhere. You can see where it stops over there. So it stopped there. So I don't know the reason why, but it stopped there. But not a new gutter. Was not constructed by this company that is currently working on this road. So it's an old gutter. So from here, head down to where they are currently are. They are still working. Where they are now, they are currently being constructing a gutter coming towards this side. So that particular place where they are constructing gutters right now don't have any drainage system at all. So they are constructing the drainage system coming towards this side, this end. So another of my take about this whole thing is that some of these gutters or the drainage systems that will not be touched, maybe it's still okay to leave. I will suggest that it will be cleared. Let it be clear, at least to have free flow of erosion. Let the gutter be free. At least if new one will not be constructed for them, let the drainage system be free. Let them clear it off. So this is where they currently are. This is where they are working right now. You can see they are constructing new gutters here. So the other side, they are also constructing new gutters. So this is where they currently are. From here heading down, they are currently working on gutters over this side. So the gutter should be cleared, to allow free flow of erosion. But my problem is that they will leave the old gutter without clearing it, and the individuals or the resident of the area will also not help the matters. They will also be throwing debris and the rest inside that gutter. So them also are not helping matters. The people that is building the road are also not helping matters. Leaving the old gutter because it's still intact is not a problem, but at least clear it to allow free flow of erosion. You understand? So that is just my own suggestion. So from this angle heading down, they are still working on them. You can see all the drainage system over this side, all the drainage system put together, all of them has dirty waters in them, very smelly. All of them put together, all of them. Like I was doing this video, I don't even know how I'm feeling. Honestly, I don't know how I'm feeling. That is the truth of the matter. I don't know. The place just need a total restart, restarting the area from the beginning. A lot of things need to be done here. Like, if people should not get me wrong, but I think Okpoko needs a very bigger company, like a very construction company, bigger construction company that will handle their project and get it right. That's what they need. That is what Okpoko need, to get it right and once. Because I'll be honest, I'm not a politician. I'm not even supporting any party. It's just that when I see the good one, I will praise it. If I see the bad one, I will also say what I have to say on it. So, like the way I talked in my last video, I'll be honest with you guys. The whole thing I'm seeing currently is just appearing more temporary than permanent. Like, everything is just temporary to me. It's not looking like something that will last long. Honestly, that is the just how the whole thing is looking like. You can see the whole street. Very good, very dirty vicinity. Honestly, it needs a total restarting, restarting it afresh. Honestly, like very dirty. You guys continue watching the video, and I think this is the last time I will give updates about anything concerning this video. Just watch the video till the end and see everything for yourself. So before I forgot, I also come across the newly completed general hospital in Okpoko, which I have once watched on Yanga channel. So I come across it here today, and I noticed that nothing is currently going on there. Nothing is currently going on there. It's not yet opened. They are not yet functioning. They have not opened the hospital. They have not yet opened the hospital. So you're gonna be seeing them in this my video. I think I'm currently there. I'm in front of that hospital now. You can see the hospital. So that's the hospital, and nothing is currently going on over here right now. So but as according to what I saw on Yanga channel, it has been completed, and what I also saw here, no other construction is going on there. Everything there has been completed. Nothing is going on there except this road that is currently under construction. So I don't know, maybe because of the road that is under construction, that is the reason why they has not started functioning or something. Maybe they are waiting for the road to be completed in order to open it up. So I don't know, it's best known for them. So guys, this is where I'm gonna be ending this update. Kindly do subscribe to the channel, click on the thumb up button, and don't forget to share the video, and don't forget to comment. Tell me what you feel about the whole project currently going on. This particular road you are seeing right now has also been completed. A lot of road has been completed in Okpoko. My only problem with some of them is that they appear temporary and the gutters are very dirty. That's my major problem with the whole thing. So don't forget to like, share, and kindly drop your comment. No insult, please. It's just let's have a normal conversation. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. To meet again in my next video.